Letter A. A is for airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky. Letter B. B is for banana. Bananas are yellow and sweet. Letter C. C is for clock. Clocks tells us the time. Letter D. D is for drum. Drums make loud, fun sounds. Letter E. E is for egg. Eggs are round and smooth. Letter F. F is for fan. Fans blow cool air when it's hot. Letter G. G is for guitar. Guitars play music with strings. Letter H. H is for hammer. Hammers help build things. Letter I. I is for insect. Insects are tiny and crawl around. Letter J. J is for jacket. Jackets keep us warm in cold weather. Letter K. K is for kite. Kites fly up in the wind. Letter L. L is for leaf. Leaves grow on trees and fall in autumn. Letter M. M is for moon. The moon shines bright at night. Letter N. N is for nest. Birds build nests to live in. Letter O. O is for orange. Oranges are juicy and round. Letter P. P is for pillow. Pillows are soft and cozy to sleep on. Letter Q. Q is for quilt. Quilts keep us warm at night. Letter R. R is for robot. Robots can do cool things and move. Letter S. S is for spoon. Spoons help us eat our food. Letter T. T is for turtle. Turtles move slowly and have hard shells. Letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. Letter V. V is for vase. Vases hold pretty flowers. Letter W. W is for whale. Whales are big and live in the ocean. Letter X. X is for xylophone. Xylophones make music with colorful bars. Letter Y. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt is smooth and creamy to eat. Letter Z. Z is for zipper. Zippers help close our clothes and bags.